Hi, my name is Jenny and I am doing a packing and review of the Jujube Be Supplied. This is in their print Hello Sanrio Sweets. It measures 13 by 12 by 6. And normally I think they retail for $130, but I actually got this on the buy sell trade on Facebook. I think I got it for $75, which is pretty good considering how much they are new. It does come with a messenger strap, as you can see. I'm not sure if it comes with a change pad. A lot of their Jujube bags do, but like I said, I bought this one used and in pretty good shape. So this is actually one of their pump bags. When I get into the bag, you'll see that this side is actually for the pump, but I use it for snacks because my kids are like, what, 4 and 6, and I still carry stuff for them. So let's get into the bag. So as you can see, there is a front pocket here, 2 side pockets, and a back pocket here. And it does come with metal feet, which I love because it protects the bag, at least somewhat. Now this is their laminated fabric. If you're familiar with Jujube, it does wear, like you'll start getting whitening at the corners. You'll see right here, there is a little bit of kind of like fraying, but it's the thread that's sticking out. Okay, and then you can see my little Jena.Mira, my favorite character. And then this is my pocket bag sanitizer puff. In the front pocket, I do pack with pouches if you haven't seen my other videos. This is definitely perfect because there isn't really any internal organization in the main, but packing it with pouches is perfect. So as you can see, the lining is just so cute, perfect for spring or summer. So in this small set piece, it's also Jujube. It's their Choky Market, and it just has my mints, lip gloss. It's basically a mom pouch. And then I have my DSS mid pouch I made myself. Wet ones for my kids because they get pretty messy. And as you can see, random socks. As you can see, there's a key fob here that I don't really use because I do have a key that acts as a clip, so I just clip it on my bag. And then an elastic pocket here. Now in this pocket right here, this is also kind of like a mom pocket because it has my eyeliner and eyebrow pencil. This one has brush and hair ties. This is a small set piece in the Chromatics watercolor, and it has chargers. Okay, random papers, and then as you can see, there is 2 elastic pockets. And it's pretty big, like you could probably pack a lot more in here. Okay, let's get to the other side. So this is the pump pocket, or yeah, pump pocket, because this is normally where a pump would go. So like I said, I'm using it as a snack pouch or snack pocket. So my snacks, my girls' Funtainer is in there, fits perfectly. And then I have a medium set piece also in the Chromatics water, and this has their snacks, Rice Krispies, gummies, and some Skittles. So the thing is with this pocket though, when this is filled, it does take up space in the main compartment. I'll show you that in a minute. In the back pocket here, I do have a mask container. These are actually clean ones. I just have random extra ones because, you know, sometimes we'll forget some tissues. And then my wipe pouch mini with sanitizing wipes. And it's also in the Jujube print. And then, so let's get to the main pocket. as you can see, this is where the pump pocket comes in. You can see my hand already moving in there. So if it's full, obviously it will take up the inside, but I'm using snacks, so let's see, let me try packing it with all the stuff back in, and you'll see how full it gets. So that's how I have it packed. It's very, if you're not using this pocket or not really putting anything in, it is collapsible, so it does create more room in the front. I do love how this bag opens up just because it's like a little flap. It's easy to fold over. So as you can see, I have my large that piece, and this is their change of clothes. Sunscreen, just because I think we went to the park recently, and that is obviously important for my girls. And then my sunglass case, and then I have a pouch with coloring stuff in it. And then let's see, this is my Jen.A.Mira wallet, which I love. Ended up getting this on BST as well and got lucky. Love carrying it. Definitely convenient, like if I'm just with my husband and they're waiting in the car with my girls, I just pull this out. And then as you can see, there's still a lot of room, so definitely one of the bigger bags. I do have a Be Sassy in the same print, and I feel like it is a tad smaller. So like when I'm packing for my girls, like with this much stuff, the Sassy is like packed tight. So this is actually perfect. I am tempted to customize it into backpack, but we'll see. I'm like customizing a lot of bags lately. But yes, definitely one of the bags I love, just because it does pack quite a bit. I think I bought this when I was pumping, and you know, the pump was pretty chunky, so I wasn't able to fit a lot. But since my girls are out of diapers and not breastfeeding, this is perfect for me now. And then they also come in a lot of other prints. This one, I think this print was released, I want to say at least more than a year ago. It was actually pretty popular, and then you'll see it pop up every so often on the BST. I know they have them in some Tokidoki prints, and then some other like Blackout, the Prism Rose, I think it was called. Well, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.